In this short video, I will show you how to recreate an Outlook mail profile for a single user and for an entire organization. Recreating a mail profile can help when, for example, the current profile is corrupted, you want to delete another mail profile, you've switched to another Outlook version, or Outlook loses connection with Exchange after a server migration. First, I'll recreate a mail profile for a single user manually. Before I begin, I need to close Outlook. Then I go to Control Panel, Mail, and click Show Profiles. Next, I click Add and let the wizard configure a new mail profile. Once the mail profile is added, I set it as the default one. I'm now going to start Outlook to see if all went well. Everything's okay. This method is quick and easy, but if you need to recreate profiles for the whole company, there is a better way for that. First, I need to create a script file that will add a new Outlook mail profile. I launch Notepad, paste the code from this video's description, and change name, for example, to Profile. I save the file with a BAT extension to a network share. Mind that users need to have read access rights to this location. Now on the domain controller, I launch the Group Policy Management console from the Start menu, right-click my domain, and create a new group policy object. Let's name it Create New Outlook Profile. I right-click the newly created object and select Edit. In the left menu, I need to find User Logon Scripts, and then double-click Logon. Finally, I click Add, Browse, select the BAT file I've created earlier, and OK my way out. The next time any user logs in, the script will create a new Outlook profile and set it as default. And once Outlook starts, the user needs to follow a simple next finish wizard, and that's it. If you like this tutorial, click subscribe and check out our other how-to videos.